Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use keyframes in Adobe After Effects step by step. So if you want to create movement, smooth animations, zoom effects, or professional motion graphics, yeah, keyframes are basically the foundation of everything inside After Effects. First, open After Effects and create a new project. Then import any image, video, or text layer you want to animate. Now drag your file into a composition so it appears on the timeline. This is where all your animations and keyframes will be created. Next, select the layer and press the small arrow beside it to open the transform controls. Here you'll see options like position, scale, rotation, and opacity. To add a keyframe, click the stopwatch icon beside any property. Let's start with position. Once you click the stopwatch, After Effects saves the current position as your first keyframe. And yeah, that's basically how to use keyframes in After Effects from start to finish. Once you understand keyframes, creating animations becomes way easier and a lot
আর
more
পারছি
fun.
না